Volcanic features. The most common perception of a volcano is a conical mountain spewing lava and poisonous gases from a crater at its summit. This just describes one of many types of volcano, and the features of volcanoes are much more complicated. The structure and behavior of volcanoes depends on a number of factors. Some volcanoes have rugged peaks formed by lava domes rather than a summit crater, whereas others present landscape features such as massive plateaus. Vents that issue volcanic material, lava, which is what magma is called once it has escaped the surface, and ash, and gases, mainly steam and magmatic gases, can be located anywhere on the landform.